don't even have a car in here yet, and I'm already filling it up. I just temporarily put tarps up. It's actually holding heat decent. Let me pull this one tighter. Actually, I'm gonna have to take these up anyway here soon because I'm bringing cars in. But yeah, I'm not gonna go through the trouble to put the lighting up here right now. That's just temporary. So, I mean, and that actually lights this up, that being there. But once we get that blocked off there, then it's gonna close her. But yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. And well, since the garage is finally up, we need to break it in the right way. Feels good to have you back again, girl. Tire tested, mechanic approved. Like, listen, guys. Like, I know, like, I need to get this done, like, ASAP. But how can I not try to put these on? Like, for real. I gotta see. I just gotta see if they fit. I do have one bad tire, so I'm only putting them on one side for right now. Get going. Well, guys, it's late. It's cold. I still enjoyed working out here for my first time. Get to work in my garage for the first time. But the Trailblazer's done. So I'm gonna do my ad. So let's show you guys that. Alright, so what we have here is a fully serviced 2002 Chevy Trailblazer. It has 137,000 miles on it. It has excellent tires the whole way around. Lots of tread left on them. It's got 4.2 liter inline six. I got a brand new 2-year warranty battery in it. Just changed the filter and oil a couple days ago. It is an R title. It had scrapes the whole way down the driver's side. This is a new fender. This is a new door, and this is a new door. This door I got, it was the right color. This door was the wrong color, so it had to be painted. So it's got a brand new paint job on this door. It does still have marks on the rear bumper. I touched them up. They don't look near as bad. It had some black spots on it, but I got colored matched paint and touched those up. This side has a couple marks on the bumper, a couple scrapes and stuff. It's not perfect, but the whole body, besides that, there is a dent here, is in really good condition. There's no rust on it, and it runs and drives great. The 4-wheel drive works, air conditioning works, heat works, radio, everything works on this. Inside here we had a problem with the shifter. This button right here was not working right, and that was because it was stuck down in there. I tore this center console apart, fixed the issue, got that fixed. Also, the ignition key, the ignition was bad, and I had to replace it. So I have 2 brand new keys for the ignition. I have 2 key fobs, and then it takes a separate key for the doors because that's the original key, and I have it marked with white paint. So that's the door key, which you don't really need it unless your key fobs are dead. So, but it's good to have as a backup. This has 2-wheel, all-wheel drive, 4-wheel high and 4-wheel low. It's dual climate control. It has a CD player. It has a tape deck. I know everybody wants a tape deck, but all in all, it's very clean, and it runs great, and it's a solid vehicle. Oh, I put a new muffler on it. Just totally forgot about that. I put a brand new muffler on. This has 2 mufflers. The one in the middle had a hole in it, so I replaced it with a brand new one. The one on the back's fine, so there's a brand new one bolted to the back one. Besides that, that's pretty much it. So anyway, guys, that's going to be the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Go back and check out some other videos, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Pizza!